Today I'm going to show you how to color code events in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to organize your schedule, separate work from personal events, and make your calendar much easier to read at a glance. If you manage a busy calendar, color coding can save you time and help you instantly spot the type of event you're looking for. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser or mobile app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once your calendar loads, look for the event that you want to change. You can click directly on the event to open its details. This will bring up a small pop-up with the event information, including the title, time, location, and other options. Now, inside the event window, find the color icon. This is usually shown as a small colored circle or palette option, depending on the device you're using. Click that color icon to open the list of available colors. Google Calendar gives you several color choices, so you can assign a different color based on the category of the event. For example, you might use blue for meetings, green for personal events, red for deadlines, or yellow for reminders. Once the color palette opens, simply select the color you want. As soon as you click it, Google Calendar will automatically update the event to that selected color. There's no need to save anything manually in most cases because the change happens right away. You can then return to your calendar view and instantly see the event displayed in the new color. If you want to make your calendar even more organized, you can repeat the same process for other events and build a consistent color system that works for you. Many people color code events by work, family, school, appointments, or travel, so everything is easier to manage. The more consistent you are, the faster it becomes to read your schedule at a glance, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to color code events in Google Calendar in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.